Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping and Warlord of the Weird, and today we're going to showcase some of my favorite medical clips of the week. The first is a fan-submitted infected pimple. Leave a comment below. Does this look like staph? Next is a 39-year-old man who was working on an outdoor deck for a client a few weeks ago. That's when his left eye started itching. He chalked it up to allergies at first, and then to a sinus infection after his eye got goopy. He had no idea his contact lenses were the problem. Doctors at Cincinnati Eye Institute diagnosed him with a bacterial infection that was quickly destroying his cornea. Ouch! This dilated pore took the internet by storm last week. What an incredible pop! And this clogged pore is an oldie, but a goodie. In a moment, I'll show you how you can get blackhead masks at a very reasonable price. I'll show you a few more pimple pops to give you just enough time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for updates. If you like this, you'll love our other videos. Let's learn a little more about blackhead masks. Then I'm going to talk to Adam. Why does he insist on calling me Warlord of the Weird? Huh. Hey folks, this is Watson. Have you been curious about carbon facial masks? Well, I want to show you one of my favorite beauty masks. Carbon facial masks help restore collagen, which naturally fills in wrinkles and rejuvenates skin. They also help unclog pores and prevent new blemishes from occurring. This mask gives you multiple uses for well under 20 bucks. It has high quality ingredients and will leave you with beautiful skin and a healthy glow. Just follow the Amazon link below.